Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, faculty Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal, College of Pharmacy, Chinswad, Pune. In this video, we are discuss about Myasthenia gravis. Contents: definition, causes of Myasthenia gravis, risk factor of Myasthenia gravis, diagnostic test of Myasthenia gravis, dietary and nursing management in the treatment of Myasthenia gravis. Definition: Myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disorder affecting the myoneural junction. Is characterized by varying degrees of weakness of the voluntary muscles. In myasthenia gravis, the receptor at the muscle surface are destroyed or deformed by antibodies that prevent a normal muscular reaction from occurring. The another cause is the causative factor is unknown, but the disorder may have a genetic link. These are the causes of myasthenia gravis. Risk factors. Risk factor for myasthenia gravis include female gender and age under 40 years, male gender and age over 60 years, other autoimmune disorders. Factors that can worsen myasthenia gravis: fatigue, illness, stress, extreme heat, some medications such as beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, and quinine, and some other antibiotics. Weakness of the muscles of the face and the throat, and generalized weakness of the facial muscles result in bland facial expression. Laryngeal irritation cause voice impairment and dyspnosis and increase the patient risk for choking and aspiration, that is problem in respiratory system. Generalized weakness of all the extremities and the intercostal muscles resulting in decreased respiratory capacity and vital capacity. Myasthenia gravis is purely a motor disorder, no effect on the sensation and coordination. Diagnostic test. Androphonium test. Injection of the chemical androphonium, that is tensilon, may result in a sudden, although temporary, improvement in the muscle strength, an indication that patient may have myasthenia gravis. Blood analysis. A blood test may reveal the blood pressure of abnormal antibodies that disrupt the receptor sites where nerve impulse signal muscles to move. Ice pack test. Cooling may improve neuromuscular transmission. In a patient with myasthenia gravis who has ptosis, placing ice over an eyelid will lead to cooling of the lid, which leads to improvement of the ptosis. Medical management. Cholinesterase inhibitor, corticosteroids, immunosuppressant, plasmapheresis. Dietary management. Reduce protein intake to 10% of total calories. Replace animal protein as much as possible with plant protein. Eliminate milk and milk product, that is substitute other calcium sources. Eat more fruits and vegetables, that make sure that they are organically grown. Eliminate polyunsaturated vegetable, that is oils, margarine, vegetable shortening, all partially hydrogenated oils, and all foods such as deep fried foods that might contain trans fatty acid. Use extra virgin olive oil as your main fat and take a ginger. Nursing management. Ineffective breathing pattern related to intercostal muscle weakness. Impaired verbal communication related to weakness of the larynx, lips, mouth, pharynx and jaw. Impaired physical mobility related to voluntary muscle weakness. Risk for aspiration related to weakness of the bulbar muscle. Disturbed sensory perception related to ptosis and decreased eye movement. Thank you.